Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how I repaired a crack in the leg of this model here, which is of the awesome YouTuber Whispers Red ASMR, who I made in my last video. So let's get started. So here's the crack in question, which you should be able to see okay. Well, there's actually two cracks on this model, there's one on the reverse as well, but I'll just show you how I repaired this one for now. So firstly, I just wanted to give my thoughts on why I think the cracking happens, because it's really rare for my work, fortunately. But you'll see here, my models over recent years have got taller and taller, and I think it can be a real issue in trying to get a model to bake well. And also we've had a really hot weather over the last few weeks, so I think the temperatures haven't helped. So with my scalpel, I'm just going to basically pare away at the crack here, really to try and dig as deep as I can. So here you'll see some progression. And I'll just use a wet wipe here and there just to remove any debris as well. But I'm really trying to remove any evidence of the crack, because what I don't want it to do is to basically crack again while it's baked. And there's actually another crack on the back here, so I'm just going to do that one as well before I fill them with clay. So I've not got any of the same coloured Polymer clay, so I'm just going to use just some green clay here, and I'm going to fill that as best as I can, and I'm really pressing down as firmly as I can here. And I'm just going to try and flatten that into the surrounding clay, like so. And so I'll just wipe over with my wet wipe, really to try and keep it as flat as possible, really. So there we go, I think I've done a fairly good job. So now I need to bake my model again. So now my model is now baked and cooled, and I thought it might be a good idea to use some frog tape here just to try and block off the top of the model while I'm painting it, but I actually decided against it in the end because it was a bit more kind of fiddly than I hoped. But you know, it's something that you can do if you want to. So I'm just mixing up some paint here, and I've decided to go for a darker colour than the jeans. So before I'm going to paint the trousers, I'm just going to go over with it's actually a nail file here, but you can use some sandpaper just to make the surface as flat as possible, because I don't want the paint to pick up on any indentations. So it's worth spending a little bit of time doing this. And I'll just wipe that with a wet wipe. So now I'm going to paint my trousers, like so. And I'll probably need 2 coats of paint as well, just to ensure good coverage. And there we go, the paint's all dried, and yeah, I've done a pretty good job, I think. It actually came out better than I'd hoped, actually, so yeah, not too bad at all. And here's the model all complete. Hope you found it useful. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.